Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your global perspectives with AIFS, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of global perspectives. Recognize that broadening your worldview can provide valuable insights and experiences. Research AIFS programs that focus on cultural exchange, study abroad, and internships. Visit the AIFS website to explore available opportunities in various countries. Identify your interests and goals to choose the program that aligns with them. Consider factors such as location, duration, and cost when narrowing down options. Reach out to your academic advisor or study abroad office for guidance and support. Attend informational sessions to gather more details about specific programs. Connect with past participants to gain first-hand knowledge of their experiences. Complete the application process for your chosen program, ensuring all documents are prepared. Prepare for your journey by obtaining necessary visas and vaccinations. Join pre-departure orientations offered by AIFS to familiarize yourself with expectations. Set personal and professional objectives for your time abroad. Embrace cultural immersion by participating in local events and activities. Keep a journal to document your experiences and reflections while abroad. Network with local students and fellow international participants. Take advantage of language courses or workshops available through AIFS. Engage with the local community to deepen your understanding of the culture. Attend AIFS-sponsored events and excursions for structured learning experiences. Monitor your progress towards your objectives throughout your program. Post-experience, reflect on the knowledge and skills you've gained. Consider how you can apply these insights in your future career or studies. Stay connected with new friends and mentors from your program. Explore opportunities for further global engagement after returning home. Continue to cultivate your global perspective beyond your initial experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.